All right, guys, I just had a great idea come to me. I get a lot of hate for this because my truck is a Chevy and I have a General Lee theme on it. Now we all know General Lee theme came on a Dodge, right? So I get a lot of hate. Let's do a like challenge here. I had different plans for this truck, but I think it'd make sense. If we hit the like challenge goal, I will 100% do it. Let's do 12,000 likes, and that's doable. I know you guys can do it. Maybe you can't. You probably can't. Nah, you probably could. But if you do it, I'm man of my word. General Lee theme on the 24 valve here. Of course, you guys already know kind of the general idea. Long bed, flat bed, 38, something like that. Gonna look insane. General Lee 24 valve. That way it's a Dodge. And it makes more sense. I know it's still a pickup truck, but I don't know. Look, I think it looked cool. So if you want to see me do that, give this video a like. And of course, I'm a man of my word. We'll see if you guys can do it. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm at the shop right now. I haven't posted as much as I'd like. Unfortunately, yesterday, depending on when you guys watch this, my dog of 14 and a half years passed away. Kind of unexpectedly. We brought him to the vet and he ended up having a heart attack. He was a very little dog, so they're a lot more fragile, but unfortunately he passed away, and it's been a kind of a rough couple days for me. And so I didn't want to post when I'm not my normal self, and so I'm back now. We have a lot of things happening here at the shop, a lot of the vehicles. Of course, I've been posting about what wrap I should go with on the white 12 valve. And then of course you got this truck. I'm going to explain later on in this video what the holdup on this thing is. It's actually what I'm working on right now, and I'll explain that here in a little bit. But this video is a little bit all over the place. A little bit of this, a little bit of my General Lee Max, and then the white 12 valve. You guys get a little bit of everything in this video, and it seems like a lot of you guys like that. As far as like view duration and like click-through rate and all that, everything has been going up every single week. So I think you guys will enjoy the longer videos and the videos that that kind of bounce around throughout. That way you get a little bit of everything. People that like this truck, my white truck, and then of course my Duramax as well. So let me know in the comments if you guys enjoy that. Again, I appreciate every one of you guys that reached out after my dog passed. I appreciate every one of you guys. So let's get on with this video. Don't go anywhere. I think you guys are really gonna enjoy it. Again, it's a little bit of everything. So yeah, we got a lot of stuff to do, so let's go. All right, guys, here we go. Driving it again. Oh yeah. I'll tell you right now, a lot of people say these cars don't ride good. For a 63, it's pretty impressive actually. Like, it actually rides pretty solid, so I don't know. I don't know what people are saying. My square body rides way worse. This thing actually rides pretty solid. I got a horse to this thing now. Oh, not good. All right, what I'm gonna do, we're just gonna time lapse this real quick and get it done with before it gets dark.
Oh my god. My chest. Oh my god. He's like, did my bumper fall off or something?
What did he say?
He said, well, did y'all need me for something? Were y'all honking at me? He said, I wanted to turn around because I thought maybe y'all was honking at me. Nah, bro.
Oh yeah, heading back home. Alright guys, so I'm gonna actually show you guys the headlights. It got dark, so I'm gonna show you guys the headlights tomorrow. They're probably gonna look better in the daytime, as dumb as that sounds, but like the running lights look really good. So I'll show you guys that tomorrow at the shop. Also, custom offsets, I hope you guys can hear me, but custom offsets will be here tomorrow, so I'll be filming with them tomorrow. And of course I'll show you guys the headlights, what they look like. I think they look incredible, but it got too dark. Guys, it is the next day. We're going back to the shop. The old Duramax. There we go. All right. Today, we're gonna be filming with custom offsets. I don't know what we're gonna be filming today, but they are in town. So I'm guessing they want to film this truck, probably the 12 valve, because they got their wheels on the 12 valve. So the Duramax is about to have their wheels on it. So if someone's interested in buying these wheels on this truck, let me know. All right. So yeah, we are going to the shop. I will see you guys up there, and it should be a fun time up there. Got some cool stuff. Got the old 6-door up there of Austin's. Todd's Cummins will be there, of course. My trucks. My Square Buddy's still at my house, which was still, still holding strong over there. So that's positive. See you guys at the shop. Let's go.
Run this up for sure. We might have to strategically place the mic just based on.
Just put it like up on the.
You want to get a mic check?
Yo. Good.
Do you need him to scoot over or anything? Or you like where he's at?
Do I look weird sitting like this?
I don't think so. Might spin.
The truck going. I don't know. We're good.
Alright, we might need a minute.
Oh. She wants to. I hate this truck. Oh yeah. Those are huge.
Hey, you can take that one. We'll just fly one down here.
Just put the tailgate down and just floor it in reverse. God, those are huge.
That's what I was gonna do after that one.
Must have stolen my Prius.
These things are into a ditch.
Oh,
Man, this is the new way.
with no back problems. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You might have the hammer on it. Oh yeah. All right, so it is the next day, actually a couple days later, but obviously we had unfortunate things happen at the house. So these lights right here, as you guys seen earlier, are the same ones I had basically, only these ones are more obviously tinted and they're smoked, I guess you could say. I don't know why that's sitting like that. I feel like that's not how it's supposed to be. I'll have to fix that. I think that's why. All right, guys. So here's the headlights. They are made by is it DNA or I forget the name. I'll put the link in the description. They're off Amazon. Like I said, the original ones were also off Amazon. I believe they are the same brand. Same everything except for the lens. These are smoked lenses, and I'm a big fan of them so far. Here, I'll put them on. They're actually really bright. Oh yeah. They look really good. These don't think they're not really showing up that well on the camera, I don't think, but yeah. Picture these headlights, black chrome wrap, gonna look insane. Like, I am so ready. I'm just waiting on everything to get here so I can get this done. Then we're good. This is not permanent, this little sitting like this. I'm gonna tie this up somewhere. It's got like a 3M backing, so maybe tucked up underneath, maybe something like, I don't know, maybe something like this. Something like, I don't know, and then tie it up, have the wires and all that tied up out of the way, but it'd be nice to have. Alrighty guys, we have to figure out why this drum brake is seized up out of nowhere. I'm gonna look at the next video because I wish I could fit it in this video, but right now I am trying to get this drum brake unseized. We're not using these axles for this build. We're gonna be using the one that are on that truck. If they aren't bent, of course. We might have to use these axles, but we'll see. Either way, it's seized up, so I gotta figure that out. We're actually rolling it. We're gonna be rolling it over to Shadow Signs, which is here pretty close to the shop. And so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try to get these unseized, roll this thing over, hopefully today. Yeah, I've literally reached out to like 5 or 6 different sandblasting businesses here in Panama City, and I've only had one kind of get back to me. I've had a couple other ones get back to me, just really expensive, like really expensive, like $2,000 to sandblast a frame, and it's like, I'm not paying that. So that's what we're doing right now. You guys will see this in the next video. kind of what we have to do to get this thing ready and get it over there, okay? So y'all be on the lookout for that. But right now, I'm about to see if I can unseize this drum brake so we can at least roll it. If we can roll it, it'd be a lot easier because it's tough to roll something with one brake locked up. So let me go ahead and knock this out and see if we can get it over there today. Looks like it's all shoe and rust. Probably end up grabbing Rory's truck and towing it over to the place. All right, guys, we are in the 12 valve, and the reason I say 12 valve is because I have two second gens, and this is a 12 valve. Other one is a 24 valve, the whistle and diesel one. And a lot of people don't know the difference. A lot of people just think, oh, second gen, they're all the same, right? There's two different types of Cummins that were in them. 12 valve being the earlier model, 24 valve being the later. The headlights, I'll put the link in the description to those. Dash mat, like 30 bucks. Fits pretty good. Of course, I gotta fix a little bit on it. It's like kind of folded up and hasn't really settled yet. But yeah, that is gonna do it, guys. Sorry if I seem like I was a little bit under the weather. It's been kind of a rough week so far. So I appreciate all you guys' support. Of course, you know, earlier on I kind of explained what's been going on. So thank you guys for reaching out. I appreciate all that. And y'all be on the lookout for the next couple of videos. They're gonna be really, really exciting ones. A lot of progress is being made around here. So a lot more, I'll be uploading a lot more frequently, and I can't wait to do that. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a like. If you enjoy these videos that are kind of all over the place, a little bit of everything, then let me know down below in the comments. I know it's going to be, I'll probably have mixed opinions on it because you can't please everyone. But if you guys enjoy these kind of videos, please let me know down below. I'd really appreciate it. If you guys want to see the whistle and diesel second gen or the 24 valve be a General Lee, then give this video a like. But that's going to do it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.